Alright guys, welcome back to Nomad Builds Gunpla. And on this episode, it's going to be a very quick episode. I'm going to show you how to line with a Gundam Pencil. Now, unlike liquid liners or Gundam markers like the ultra fine tip ones, or even the brush type ones, using a Gundam Pencil is possibly the safest option of any of them. If you're looking for this online, it's item number is GP01, and if you're looking for lead refill packs, look up GP02. It's 0.3 millimeter lead. It's actually the thinnest lead pencil that I personally know of, and it's perfect for lining. Anyway, so get a little bit of lead out there, and across any of these edges, just carefully line it out. Oh, I already made a mistake. So whenever that happens, just break out the eraser. Get rid of it, and try again. Even up here I went a little too much, which not a problem. Keep in mind I am using this on a uncoated piece. Whenever you're using the pencil, you really want to use them on either bare plastic or uncoated painted pieces. That way, like, it actually shows up on the piece. Otherwise, you will want to use either the brush type or the ultra fine tip. Personally, I'm not a fan of using liquid liners like the Gundam marker pour types or Tamiya liquid liners. Those can actually damage and eat through plastic if you're not really careful. That, and with those liners, you really want to actually apply them while the pieces are still on the runner. I'll do videos on those another time. But yeah, with the pencil, you really want to use this on white pieces, yellow pieces like light blue, any type of light colors. If it's something a little bit on the darker side, like the mechanical gray I used in the last video, you'll want to break out black Gundam marker ultra fine tip or something similar like the brush type. That, and you'll want to top coat before using those. Anyway, this is a quick and easy video to make for this little tutorial. I will see you guys in the next video when I decide to top coat these with matte coat. Farewell.